So MMA fighters follow some very strict healthy diet protocols, but check this out. Just gonna read off the list here. Spinach, rhubarb, okra, figs, kiwi, raspberry, starfruit, almonds, cashews, peanuts, sesame seeds, buckwheat, whole wheat, soybeans, black beans, cocoa, dark chocolate, tea, especially black and green tea, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, oats, brown rice, barley, wheat bran, walnuts, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, tofu, soy milk, edamame. What do all these foods have in common, you might ask? Well, these foods are actually all high in oxalates and phytates. So oxalates and phytates are these little molecules that actually bind to calcium and other essential minerals and basically block these minerals from getting to the places that we need, like bones and teeth. So long term, this actually results in lowered bone density and slower enamel remineralization after any acid attacks, aka eating any meals or drinking anything other than water. In fact, depending on your water quality, even after drinking water, your mouth experiences an acid attack. So consuming a lot of foods rich in oxalates and phytates can actually slow down your enamel remineralization, aka more brittle bones and brittle teeth. And I don't know about you guys, but if I was getting my face punched, I would want to make sure my bones are 150% super dense, tip-top shape. By the way, if you guys are finding this video interesting so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Anyway, the question is, what do we do with this information? What's the solution? Obviously, it's unreasonable to avoid these healthy foods. There are some benefits to, spinach and buckwheat and kiwi and raspberries and all the things. But how do we avoid this oxalate and phytate buildup in our system? Well, the biggest tip would be to pair these foods up with calcium-rich foods. So if you eat, say, spinach with some cheese, the calcium in the cheese will help absorb the oxalates instead of having your body absorb the oxalates. Basically, give your body more calcium than it needs so that the oxalates can absorb some of that calcium and you get some calcium as well. Same goes for other minerals and nutrients like phosphorus. This is stuff you can find in meat and fish, poultry, eggs. Also vitamin D and vitamin K2. In fact, highly recommend to take vitamin K with your vitamin D, and it helps to really absorb more calcium into your body. So vitamin K2, as I said, also magnesium. Most people are deficient in magnesium, super helpful for muscles and bones, particularly the teeth. And then also consider things like probiotics. Natural sources include yogurt or sauerkraut and kimchi, all great sources of probiotics, but these help to rebalance your oral microbiome, which in turn also helps to keep your teeth properly mineralized. Another thing to look into is hydroxyapatite in your toothpaste. I have several videos on hydroxyapatite. Hydroxyapatite in your toothpaste can really help to remineralize and rebuild enamel on a microscopic level. Now, a couple of other tooth-friendly tips, since this is a dental channel. Really great thing to do throughout the day is to rinse your mouth after eating any meals or drinking anything other than water. Just helps to rebalance your saliva pH that much quicker. Also, staying hydrated really helps to maintain healthy saliva, again, in turn, which helps with remineralizing enamel. Also, using xylitol mints or gum throughout the day. You need about 6 to 10 grams of xylitol for it to be effective, but this is a magical ingredient that nature has provided for us. It's a sugar alcohol derived from birchwood, and it basically destroys cavity-causing bacteria. So highly recommend incorporating xylitol in your daily routine. And then again, just don't forget, combine your high oxalate and phytate foods with high calcium and mineral-rich foods. You're welcome. By the way, if you guys want a more comprehensive approach to your oral health, sign up for my free Smile Reset Guide. I'll have a link down below. Plus, I'll include some exclusive discounts to some of my favorite dental products. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.